Tranche 2 is here. Take advantage of AUSTRAC starter kits with a simple, clean, digital workflow. We've automated AUSTRAC starter kits, opening up affordable, clear, safe harbour for Aussie small businesses, giving your AML compliance officer a simple click-by-click checklist. Designed and built by one of Australia's leading financial crime experts, Nathan Lynch, the co-founder of AML Shield. With true crime training based on the money laundering bestseller, The Lucky Laundry. Safe harbour, safe pair of hands. Transforming AUSTRAC starter kits into a simple digital workflow. No guesswork, no paper trail to manage. Not just screening, a complete AML program. Simple screening for face-to-face clients with sanctions, PEP and adverse media, unlimited searches, in-person ID verification free. It's one flat price with basic checks included. With AML Guru, you've got your own in-house AML expert. Answers in seconds. AML Shield. Get ready for 1st July 2026. Visit amlshield.com.au.